Okay, so let's get started with your today's topic. And today we'll be discussing about the Oracle Dataguard environment. Okay, so before I go to the technical part, let me introduce myself. My name is 𝐓𝐢𝐻𝐽. I have a YouTube channel with my name, same name, 𝐓𝐢𝐻𝐽. Yesterday only we have completed 10,000 Oracle DBA followers all over the world, and I'm working on this YouTube channel from almost, I guess, 4 or 5 years. So finally, I have completed this 10,000 Oracle DBA followers. There are 300 plus videos are available on my YouTube channel, on which it is completely free of cost, and that is helping people to start their career in the Oracle DBA technologies. As well as I also try to create a video based on the Hadoop technology, Oracle, SQL, Linux, shell scripting. Whatever knowledge I'm gaining it by putting some efforts, I'm trying to share it with these Oracle DBA communities. And Saturday, Sunday, whenever I get some free time, I try to utilize this weekend time to share my knowledge with the help of this webinar kind of things. So the same way, we are going to discuss about Oracle Dataguard environment today. Most of you might be interested for the Oracle DBA, like what is Oracle DBA, how we can start the career as Oracle DBA. There will be a lot of confusion with a lot of people, like, okay, some people are saying that there are not much opportunities with the Oracle DBA, but I don't know the programming. There will be people like, they must have heard about different words like Oracle DBA, then core Oracle DBA, RAC DBA, Dataguard, ASM, Exadata, performance tuning, many things. Many things will be many words, many technologies you must have heard about whenever you discuss about this Oracle DBA technology. So first thing which might be coming in your mind that, okay, so I'm always telling people, like, first of all, you need to decide yourself, like, okay, do you really want to start your career as Oracle DBA? So you need to ask this question to yourself. I'm saying, yes, I want to start my career as Oracle DBA. Okay, so it is done, like you want to become a Oracle DBA. Now, how to start my career as a Oracle DBA? From where to start? That is the next important question. For the Oracle DBA technology, the first thing you need to understand about the SQL and Linux. SQL and Linux is very important. That is the fundamentals. Those people who have come from the engineering background, they must have heard about this SQL and Linux technologies, which is really important. It is not that difficult to understand. There are many videos are available over the YouTube channel on which you can easily understand this SQL and Linux. Even if you check my website called learnomate.org, there also SQL and Linux courses are free of cost, which I just created to make sure that everyone aware about these technologies. Everything is practically explained. It's completely free of cost. Now let's assume that you are good with the SQL and Linux. Okay. So let me try to share my screen, and we'll try to discuss over here. And after that, we will be discussing about Dataguard also. Okay. So I'll go one by one. So I'm just talking about the DBA track. Okay. I'm just talking about the DBA track. So in order to start this Oracle DBA, first of all, you should have a knowledge about SQL, and then you should have a knowledge about Linux. Because what will happen, our database will be hosted on the top of this Linux operating system only. It can be available on Windows also, no problem. But in real-time production environment, let's say this box, the outer box which I created, this is my operating system, Linux. On the top of that, I'm going to install my Oracle 19c database. So in order to play with this Linux operating system, you should have knowledge about Linux. And let's say Once you are connected to the Oracle database, you want to get some data from this database by firing a command like select star from table name. Just a simple query. You should have some basic knowledge about the SQL. I am not expecting that you should know the SQL query. You are not going to write down a very big SQL queries. No, you are not going to write down it. You are going to deal with the basic SQL queries like, you should know how to create a table, how to update a table, how to delete a table, how to drop a table. All those SQL basic command also, if you are aware, then also your life will be more and easy. Okay, so you got to know about a SQL and Linux. I'm assuming that. Then what is the next thing? Then the most important thing is you need to learn with the core DBA technologies, core DBA. Why I'm talking about the core DBA? Because core DBA is the part of your Oracle database technology only, Oracle DBA. This is the starting point. This is the starting point of your Oracle DBA, guys. You may have heard about the different technologies like RAC, Golden Gate, Exadata, Cloud, etc., etc. Don't go into this technology unless and until your core DBA fundamentals are strong. This should be your powerful, because this is the baseline of your RAC, Golden Gate, Exadata. That is important. No problem. That is really important to learn the RAC, Golden Gate, Exadata, Cloud. Really important if you want to survive into the IT industry. But start with the core DBA, because this is a technology where you are going to learn about what is Oracle database, how are you going to install that, how are you going to connect to this Oracle database, how are you going to take the backup, how are you going to restore the backup, how are you going to do some sort of basic performance tuning. All these things you will get to know in core DBA only. Because if I want to tell you one very layman example, let's say you want to build a home. So your base should be very strong, right? If your base is not strong, you cannot build a home of 20 towers, 25 towers. It is not possible. For that, your base fundamental should be really strong, and that is possible with the help of core DBA technologies only. But today's webinar is not about the core DBA. Many videos I have created on my YouTube channel. Many demos I have also taken. Many seminars I have taken related to the core DBA. Even I'm going to start my new Oracle DBA batch in next 3 days related to this core DBA technologies. But I will include most of the other parts also in my training. It's a single training where you will understand about core DBA. Plus, in core DBA, when I was discussing, it's all about your Oracle database installation, architecture, everything. Apart from this, I'm going to cover Dataguard, ASM, patching, upgradation, OEM, and basic of performance tuning. All those things are already part of a single course only, which I'm going to start from 1st of March. Now let's come to the topic of today's webinar, Dataguard. I'm assuming that you people have some sort of knowledge about the basic understanding about Oracle DBA. So then it will be easy for you to understand the Dataguard environment. Now what happened, like when we were discussing about the core DBA technology, we discussed about the single instance database. Now what is meant by single instance database? Usually what happened, you will have an instance, that is my DB instance. This DB instance got connected to the database. This is my database where my actual data gets stored. Like We know one thing, that in our database we have a concept called data files, control file. So all of your data files, control files, your parameter files like your SP file and P file, everything got stored over here. This is the storage part of your database. So when users are trying to connect to the Oracle database to get some data, your data is available here. He want to get this data. So he is not going to connect to the database directly. First of all, he will make the connection to the DB instance, which is your memory part, plus some of the background process. And from here, your connection will come to the database. Now, there is a problem with this single instance database, guys. And what is the problem? What will happen? Okay. What will happen if this database goes down? Because this database is available on the top of server only, right? So this can be your any server. It can be your Oracle Enterprise Linux server or maybe a Red Hat Linux server. Now, problem is, if this database itself goes down, do you think that this user will get the data? Let's say this user is firing a command like select star from table name. And what happened? This database itself goes down. This database is not available because of server itself goes down. Server. What is server? What is server? Server is basically your one operating system. Now, in my case, my operating system is Windows 11. Right now, I'm using Windows 11. On the top of it, I have installed a software called Zoom, through which our meeting is in progress. By any chance, if my Windows 11 itself goes down, do you think that our meeting will be running? No. So if your server goes down, your Zoom meeting, your other applications, everything will be down. Everything will be down. Now Oracle thought like, okay, this is very dangerous situation, because if my database goes down, my users will be impacted. My users will be impacted. And this is not a good sign. If you take the example of any banking system, let's take the example of your HDFC. They're using an Oracle database in the backend. SBI, they're using an Oracle database in the backend. Now you're going to the SBI, you're saying that, hi sir, I want to withdraw 10,000 from my account. So what will happen? That 10,000 entry is available here in the database. Now, if your database itself is not running, do you think that the withdrawal will be possible? No. So, banking system is very critical system. If the bank goes down for a certain duration, there will be a millions of loss. The bank will go into the loss. And loss, no one wants the loss. If I want to purchase a mobile, I'm going to the Amazon. And if Amazon database goes down, do you think that I'll be able to purchase the mobile phone? No. So it is a loss for the Amazon. And even the customer will be saying like, okay, this Amazon is all the time down only. We should not use that. Go with the Flipkart. So this kind of problems will be happen. To resolve this kind of problem, to ensure that my database should be running 24/7, Oracle have come up with the high availability solutions. Different high availability solutions. Among that, you may have heard about RAC is one of the high availability solution. Then we have Dataguard is there. So Dataguard is mainly useful for disaster recovery. And RAC is a high availability solution on instance level. Now, how they are different from each other? What is rack? What I will do, I will ask you people to join to one of my webinar, maybe in next Saturday or Sunday. That time I will be discussing about this RAC. Today we'll be discussing about Dataguard. For that, what you can do, you can just join my WhatsApp group and you will get the updates about whenever I'm taking this free webinar. So how this Dataguard play an important role? Let's try to understand. I'll tell you like the real-time scenarios only. You know now what is happening over the world. The sad situation is happening, right? Russia, Ukraine, what are the problems? Like whatever it is happening for the common people, it is not a good thing. On political level, whatever they say, that is the next part. But as a common person, nothing is going good, right? So if you talk about how it is important, how this Dataguard, related to that, let me take one example. Let's say I have my server is available in the location, in one of the location. So this is my server. Now on the top of this server, my database you are going to install, right? This server is basically, it can be one physical room, okay, where you have your big CPU will be there, okay, some server team will be there. So there will be a room. In that room, there will be servers will be there. And on the top of this server, you are going to install a database called, let's say 19C. You will install a database called 19C. Now, with this current situation, that physical room wherever it is available, it can be damaged, right? Because of, what is happening nowadays, it can be damaged. Now, if this server goes down, your database will also go down. So I'll take the example of, let's say, USA. My server is available in USA location. And on the top of it, I have installed Oracle 19C database, which is my primary server. Primary server means where number of users are connecting. So user 1 is connecting, user 2 is connecting, user 3, multiple users are connecting. We call it as a primary server. Normal users like you and me, we are connecting to the database. That is a primary server. Primary server will have primary database. It is a production database. Now, since this server goes down, what will happen? Your database will also goes down. Now, can we do one thing? What is this Dataguard environment do? Dataguard environment will have one more backup server will be there, and we called it as a standby server. And it will have a same to same database, which is your 19C database. What is this server we called it as? We called it as a standby server, which will have standby database, Why it is standby? Standby means he is not a primary. He is a standby because your primary is up and running. So till the time my primary is up and running, only one database, the users will be connected. Users will not connect it to the standby machine. No, they will connect to the primary machine only because your primary machine is healthy. By any chance, if your primary machine is not healthy, then your connection will be reestablished to the standby side. So what is this standby server? And what is this standby database? Standby database is a replica of your primary server. It's equal to means same to same replica of my primary. So if I have 1000 table in my primary, 1000 table will be there in my standby. If I create one more table, 1000 plus one more table I created, that one table will be created automatically on my standby side, automatically. So what is Dataguard environment? Dataguard environment is all about a replica of your primary database, replica. And we all know about the replica. Replica means if I have 1000 tables here, the 1000 table will be available here. If I create two more table, let's say I created two more table on primary, automatically the two more table will be created on my standby side automatically. So what you understood from here, like if I have something available here, same thing will be available on my standby side. Now there will be a question in your mind like, so are we replicating our primary and standby manually? I mean to say, if I create one table on primary, am I going to create a same table on standby manually by firing the command on standby side? No. It will be done automatically. It will be done automatically. So if you create a primary with 10 table, after some time, your data of that 10 table, basically what will happen internally, your archive logs will get generated and those archive logs will shift to the standby side and that 10 table will be created here automatically. There will be one more question in your mind that does this primary and standby will be there in the same location? No. Assume my primary is available in the USA location, then my standby will be there in my Singapore location. Because why we are keeping both the server in different location? Because by any chance, if this location get impacted because of XYZ reason, I don't want my standby should be also get impacted. That is why we keep our primary in one location, standby in another location. Again, there should not be much distance in between your primary and standby. Why? Because when you create a 10 table on primary, that 10 table will be created on standby. Behind the scene, what will happen? Your archive logs are shipping through the network. And if you have 100,000 kilometer distance is there, the network will be blocked. So you can have primary and standby in different location but nearby location. That is what we are doing. So if my primary goes down, I have a same to same data available on my standby side. I have a same to same data available on my standby side. It is there, guys. So if I'm not having connection over here, I can have a connection to this side. And there are many concepts are coming. We call it as a switchover activity or failover activities. Okay. All these things we are going to learn in the next webinar. So this is how, the basic of your Oracle Dataguard is there. And this is how it works. Yes, we need to discuss about the Oracle Dataguard architecture also. Like when I say one table get created on primary, how it is becoming available on standby side. So that is a part of your Oracle Dataguard architecture side. So we need to understand how many types of Dataguard environments are there. Like we have snapshot standby database, we have Dataguard, active Dataguards are there, logical standby is there, different type of Dataguard environments are there. So in the next webinar, we are going to learn about that. If you have, so obviously what I will do, I will share the next invite to everyone. So as I said earlier, I'm going to start my Oracle DBA batch in next 3 days. 1st of March, I'm going to start it. So I'm going to cover each and every topic related to the core DBA. Apart from this Dataguard, ASM patching, everything is available. If you are interested, you can reach out to me on my email ID. This is my email ID, ankush.thavali@gmail.com, and this is my mobile number. Apart from this, if you have any question, queries are there related to the training, you are free to open. Let me unmute everyone. So you can unmute yourself, and if you have anything discuss, let me know. We can discuss. I think you can unmute yourself if anyone want to ask something. Let me know if you are not able to unmute. I will check it. I think yes, it's possible now. Okay, did you understood, guys, today's session? Like whatever we discussed till now?
Yeah, Ankush Savali.
Yes,
Kishore here. May I know the course duration? How many days it will take?
So it is a 45
timings.
Yeah. So basically, I'm going to take this training in next 2 days. Okay. I don't have much vacancies actually. I think 2-3 people I can take. The course duration and syllabus you can get it from here only. Go to the my courses. I'm sorry. Go to the here Oracle DBA. This is my website. Here you can see all the details. Let me ping you. So this is the syllabus. This is a 45 hours of training, and the timing will be morning 8 to 9. Let me put it here. Timing will be daily 8 to 9, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. IST timing. Okay, IST. So it will be 9:30 p.m. EST timing. 45 hours. All right.
Sir, when you are going to start your RSC?
RSC will take some time, not now. Right now, the plan is this Oracle DBA only.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Is there any fast batch for this core DBA?
Can you come again? Can you please louder?
I mean to say, is there any fast batch?
Fast batch, weekend batch is also there. That I will start from 15th of March.
15th of March.
Yeah, weekend batch.
I mean, how many days it will get finished then?
So it will be also taking some same time, because Saturday, Sunday will take it on, but for 2 hours.
Okay, the same as exact as this.
It will
So
be
what
same.
is DR drill? So what is DR drill? You know?
DRD, I'll take it in class only. Like all those things, technical questions, I'm taking in class only. Okay, not today.
Hello, sir.
And
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Like, do we have any placement assistant or placement assurance or post completion of course?
Okay, so basically what happened, like, you know, if you go to my website, what I'm doing right now is whatever courses which are available on my website. Okay, there are a lot of recorded courses also there, which are paid courses that I'm giving free of cost to my people, like Oracle DB interview questions. Okay, these are the questions which has been asked to my multiple student in different companies. What I've done, I have collected those and I created a solution for that. Okay, so those questions you will get it free of cost, question answer. These are not a PDF, these are all recorded videos. You will get it free of cost. Apart from this, I'm also helping people for the resume preparation also. Sometimes what happened, like some of the recruiters are reaching out to me because they know like I'm giving a training. So they know like I have people, bulk people will be there which are already trained with the Oracle DBA technologies. Like yesterday also someone reached out to me and they have some Oracle DBA vacancies. So those people who are trained under me, I'm sharing their profile with them. But at the end, it is your responsibility to crack the interview, and it is all about your efforts only. I'll try my best to deliver the best content, and you can search it over the Google also, my reviews and everything. So this is the latest reviews which are posted by my current student. People are from my current batch, they are posting it right now. So you can see the things over here also. US depend. So you can see the things over here. I think someone posted now only. I don't know. I didn't check that. Okay.
And, I have another question, like enough for commerce background guys.
Yeah, I'll tell you one thing, that you come from any background. Okay. There is no problem with the Oracle DBA. I'm always telling people, like, Oracle DBA technology is always open for everyone. Okay? It's not like it is not open for one person or another person. It is open for everyone. So if you put the right efforts, I saw many people got placed as a Oracle DBA from non-technical background also. I have seen that. So it's all about your efforts only.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Shivam here, sir. Actually, sir, I am just class 12 pass out student, and I want to learn whole knowledge in Oracle.
But why you are
Means,
just class 12 person? Then you should enjoy your life, man. Like you are just.
no, sir. Actually, I want to become master in Oracle field, sir. So, and sir, is there any opportunity to means after learning Oracle DBA, can I get job?
Again
And
the
I have
same
no
thing.
any degree.
You don't have any degree.
Yes, sir. I'm just class 12 pass out student.
Are you still studying?
Yes, sir. I am still study, sir.
Okay. You do one thing. Do you want to have a job? You like to, but you are
No,
studying
sir.
now.
No, sir. Yes, sir. I am studying.
So you do one thing. At this point, I will not like ask you to join any training or something like that. My suggestion to you will be, there are multiple free contents are available on my channel, as well as there are multiple good trainers are available. Their channels are also available. You learn from them free of cost. Okay. YouTube is all about free content. You learn.
That's fine, sir. But yes, sir. That's fine. But can I get job after without any degrees? Can I get or not?
Small level companies will never ask for the degrees. Like, even if you ask me, I want to hire you, I don't want your
Because
degree.
I have some family background problems, sir. So I want to get job, sir.
You want job
And
now
sir, can you
only?
just yes, sir. Yes, because some family background issues.
Do
So
one thing, you just WhatsApp me. Okay.
Okay,
On my
sir.
number.
Okay, sir. Yeah, sure, sir. Thank you.
Hello, Ankush sir.
Yes.
Can I ask regarding Dataguard question?
No, data cut related stuffs I'm not taking now.
Okay, fine.
In the
Thank
class
you.
only.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Kumar.
Sir, may I
Abdul,
know
I'm sorry.
what is the cost of this? Yeah, may I know what is the cost of this session, this class?
The class of this is $300. Okay.
Okay.
$300, or it is 1499 INR, Indian rupees. Okay. You can take two
Okay.
installment also. Okay. Initially, you need to pay, let's say I'm talking in dollar. Okay. Initially, you need to pay $150. Okay. Now, and $150 you can pay in on 15th of March.
Okay, but sir, how can we? Actually, I am from Afghanistan, so now there is we have payment issue.
So there are multiple websites are available. Na? If you are interested, you reach out to me on my number. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number. I will guide you.
Okay, fine, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, this is my WhatsApp number.
Okay.
Even my number is also available on my website. Here you can see.
Okay, sir. Okay. I will ping you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, please.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So, sir, in this Dataguard, there will be core also, sir. Oracle core or syllabus.
Yes. See, if you check my syllabus now, if you check
It
my
will from core will be from scratch.
yes. I'm going to take it from very basic only. Okay, basic to advanced. So we are going to discuss about Oracle DBA installation. Okay, from starting Oracle DBA installation, then architecture, then how to stop database, all those basic concept. Then user management, table spaces, listener. Okay, then arm and backup, export import, patching activity, upgradation. Data guard is also there. Export import. Then we have data guard, everything. Okay, everything is there.
Sir, one more thing I have issue.
See, don't get confused, people. I think some people are getting confused. Like the training which I'm going to start, it is only for data guard. No, it is the combination of core DBA plus data guard plus ASM plus patching plus upgradation plus shell scripting plus performance tuning plus OEM. Okay, whole cost is $300 or 15,000. That is 1499 INR. Okay, I'm taking only one training, everything.
Is there any live project also?
When I'm taking a training, usually I talk about live scenarios only. You can see the feedback from my other previous student. They have clearly mentioned that it's completely live.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. One more thing, sir. I have a query that currently I'm working as a IT team lead. Is it will help to me, sir, if I go with this?
You can do one thing, na? You can share your previous experience as a Oracle DB.
Okay.
Anyway, we never discuss about things like. Do you think that our experience letter will have like I'm working as a Oracle DB? No. They will only have the things like he is working from here to here, duration. Because technology, no one will mention your expense letter. Why don't you show your previous 3-4 years, whatever it is, as Oracle DBA, and grab the opportunity? Very simple.
Okay.
But you need to be trained in a such way that you will be capable to handle it.
Yes, sir. That is the confusion because my current profile is IT team lead. If I show, sir, this Oracle DBA, then it may be some difficulties.
Don't show more experience. 2-3 years is fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
One more thing, sir. If I want to means like first I have to learn Oracle DBA. Then what will the second step? Means like
Then you can go
RAC,
for RAC also. RAC you can go. RAC is there, Golden Gate, Data.
And after RAC?
Golden Gate you can go.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any more questions? Okay, just taking us honestly, how was the session? Understood, guys?
Yes, sir. Nice question.
Yes, sir.
Nice, sir. Very nice.
Thank you so much, guys. So much.
It
Very
was
nice
great, sir.
session, sir.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Shaurya, you are in my class, right?
Sir, I am Neeru.
Neeru. You are
Yeah,
in my
yeah,
class now.
it's-
Then you
yeah,
don't need to
yeah,
worry,
yeah.
okay? You
Yes, sir.
will come to know everything from the starting.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. Okay, guys, then thank you so much for joining. If anyone is interested for this training, I have some 2 vacancies are there in my class. Let me know. Whoever take it, he will be the part of my class. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Okay, sir. Bye. Good night.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Bye. Good night.
Have a nice day.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.